You guys, I suck at filming because I literally just talked to the camera for forever on how I filmed, or how I can't even talk, on how I did this eyeshadow. I literally just filmed me talking and walking through this side, and I just realized it wasn't even filming. So that's awesome. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this eye. I will hurry up and go through what I did again for this look before I paint the sunflowers on my face. And yeah, I'm so sorry. Anyways, I went in with this Gimme Butterflies ColourPop palette, and I first grabbed this Making Moves, this darker pink shade right here, and I used this big puffy Morphe brush. I put it in my crease in the outer third, and then I just kind of winged it out a little bit. And then I went in with this Woke, this lighter pink color, and I put that in the middle of my eyelid, or the center of my eyelid. And then I went in with this ColourPop palette, and it's called Bird of Paradise. And I went in with this golden shade called Wing It, and I did that on the inner third of my eye. And then I went in with this Peekaboo, this like highlighting shade, and I put that on the center, or the inner corner of my eye. And that's all I've done so far, but I'm very let down that it did not, or that I did not hit film or record. So that sucks. But anyways, I'm gonna just go ahead and keep going. I'm gonna go in now with this Morphe brush. I don't know what kind of brush this is. It's kind of tiny, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line. So pretty much following what I did up top, down below, I'm gonna go in with that Making Moves, that darker pink shade, and I'm gonna put this on like the outer third underneath my eye. Kind of connect it with the top eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna go in with that lighter shade called Woke and put that in the middle third. And then I'm gonna go in with, let's see, let me grab the other palette. This Wing It color, again, this very pretty golden shade, and I'm gonna put that on the inner third of my eye. And then I'm gonna go back in, let's see, I'm gonna use this little brush right here from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna grab that highlighting color again called Peekaboo, and just hit my inner corner again with that. And I just wanna make sure both eyes match. Look pretty good to me. So what I do now is, oh, back has to crack. I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl neon purple eyeliner, and I'm gonna put just a little wing on my eye. It's hard to see, well, you can kind of see it. I just did a little baby wing with this lavender color. I just thought it was very pretty and springy, which is kind of like the vibe we're going for right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have that eyeliner on, I'm gonna go in with my mascara. Oh, ignore that noise. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, my favorite mascara of all time. And I'm gonna apply that to the top and the bottom of my lashes. Alrighty, that is the eyes all complete. I just gotta do, I don't do anything to my eyebrows because they're already so, I don't know, thick and dark. I just don't do anything with them, but I do get makeup while I'm on them while I'm doing my makeup. So I just go in with like a wet Q-tip, and I just literally go over them to make sure all the makeup's off. And making sure this one's good. Oh, I forgot a step. Let me highlight my brow bone real quick. For that, I'm using this Luxie 207 medium angled shading brush, and I'm just gonna highlight underneath my brow bone using this Makeup Revolution palette, and I just go in with these two shades, and I'm just gonna put that right under my brow bone. Okay, now that I have my eyes complete, I'm gonna go ahead and start painting the sunflowers. I feel like my voice just sounded weird. Let me get some water real quick. We're good. So I'm sure you're supposed to use like makeup safe or paint that's safe for your face. I don't really know. I'm just gonna go in with these Master's Touch acrylic paints to go ahead and paint the sunflowers. Hopefully my skin does not break out or have a reaction or anything like that. But I mean, hopefully it won't be on there too long anyway, so we should be good. I'm trying to get this done before the sun sets because I'm in front of a window and the lighting is getting a little bit darker, so hopefully we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little bit of this onto my plate here. So let me do that real quick. So we'll need yellow. I'm using yellow medium. Actually, I'm probably gonna need more than that. Okay, so I have yellow medium. I have a little bit of this orange color. I have permanent black, phthalo green, and I have burnt sienna. Let's see what we can do. Try to hold this mirror while talking and painting. So I'm just gonna go in first, I think, with this yellow color. And hopefully you guys can see me okay. And I'm just gonna go for it. I'm scared. I don't know where to start first. The lighting's also hitting this mirror really weird, so that does not help my situation. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. Ah! Get these baby hairs out of the way. Okay, I think what I'm going to do now is take this same golden color I used on the eyeshadow called Wing It. I said the name so many times. This golden color with the same little brush, and I'm going to pat it onto some of these petals and see what that starts to look like. and go ahead and do some of the leaves. So I'm gonna keep taking that little brush right here, and I'm gonna pick up this green color and put little baby leaves on some of these sunflowers. Let's see. What do we think? What do we think? I don't know. I think I'm going to leave them as they are. I'm just gonna move on to the freckles for now. So for the freckles, I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Revolution palette because they have a lot of like darker brown shades, and I'm gonna pick up, if I can grab it, this like pointed Morphe brush, and I literally just dig it into whatever shade I want to use. I think I'm gonna go with like, let's see, I don't know which one I normally use. I haven't done it in a while. I think I'm gonna go in with this Sahara color. I just dig my brush in there, get it on the tip, and then I come over to my face and I just poke it where I want the freckles. I'm not affecting it, the lighting. Okay guys, to finish off this very simple, easy to do sunflower look, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips real quick. I'm gonna line them with this ColourPop lip pencil in the shade, it says BFF, I think that's the shade, I'm not really sure, but it's like this mauve color. So I'm gonna go ahead and outline them real quick, what little lips I do have. And then I'm gonna go in with this gloss. This is, it says H2O gloss from Tarte, just a little mini sample that I got from something, I don't know what I got it from, probably from Ulta. And I'm gonna put this all over my lips. Alrighty guys, that is the finished look. I hope you liked this very, well, not really short, but easy tutorial. That's the eye look when I close my eyes. You guys can see that a little bit better. And the sunflowers turned out all right. They definitely could have been better, but let me know down in the comments what you guys think, if you like this, if you want to see more, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.